Why do you see you? Bakit na nasaya? Bakit naduya? Bakit ganun? Hindi ka batik na nasan saan kita. Hindi kita alam na saan kita. Why do you hide from me kay mommy? Why do you do that? Hindi yun nakakatawa. Bakit ka nang-hide everyday? Hindi yun nakakatawa. Don't never do that. Kasi that's bad. Why do you do that? Don't do that to your home. Hindi kambala ako. Punta kami sa bahay. Ba't si Kuya tagtarararan? Tapos nang may mess siya ng jump. Bakit jump? Hindi siya nang clean. Sinabi naman clean siya. Nang finger, promise kami tapos ni-broke na niya. Di ko alam bakit si Kuya naman ganon. Di ko alam na magano-ganon niya. Di ba kahit kayo. But never do that because you be good. Jesus Christ is here. You need to pray while eating. Why do you do that? You never do that to someone. Why do you cross a bridge away? Don't never do that. Why do you always do it that? Why do we do that? You don't do that to your walk by yourself. Don't you dare to do that in your home by yourself. Ask your parents if you can go, or you can just come at them. Just ask. Don't never do that at home, guys. So, why does she hard to sa akin? Ano ginawa ko? Umiyak ako nun. Anong ginagawa ko nun? Bakit nandito ka? Because you're sorry. Hindi ko alam na siya hide. Why do siya hide? Why do I hide? Bakit siya nang hide every day? Hindi ko kasi alam saan. Nasaan siya? Hindi ko siya